Health decisions test problems 6 and 7. Very similar to the last two. Your friend is a 36-year-old very active woman who weighs 126 pounds and is 5 foot 3 inches tall. What is her estimated BMR? And continuing, what is her estimated DCI? 36-year-old is our first value. That's fine. That's just going to go into the age of the woman's BMR formula. Very active, that's not part of the BMR formula. The BMR formula, remember, is for when there is no activity, someone is just still. So very active is actually later on part of the DCI. She will be a woman who is very active, so her number will be 1.82. She weighs 126 pounds. Great, we'll plug that number in here. And then 5 foot 3 inches tall, we need to plug in to the height only inches. So 5 foot 3 inches tall, each foot is 12 inches, so 5 times 12 inches, and then we'll add back on the 3 inches otherwise, and we'll get 63 inches. Now we're ready to start. So her BMR, remember we're using the top formula for women that ends in a +5, is the weight, so 126 times, I'm trying to make my multiplication dots and decimal dots look different. The height was 63 inches. Minus her age, 36. And then plus 5. As we mentioned last time, the parentheses in the formula are not needed by the calculator. They are not really about the math, because order of operations already says multiply the 3 multiplications before adding and subtracting. So the purpose of the parentheses are to help us read the formula. There's something with weight, something with height, something with age. They're not actually needed when we're solving. So we're ready to just take out our calculator and do this. 126 times 4.55 plus 63 times 15.88 minus 36 times 5 plus 5 gives me about 1,399. And the units for BMR are calories per day. So if she's only lying down in a hospital bed, not moving at all, that's her metabolism, burning 1,399 calories per day. For number 7, the DCI, we take that number and then we multiply it by the corresponding scale factor, which, as we mentioned before, 1.82. And we get about 2,546. Which is also calories per day.